Are you still in the Jamie Dimon category of Bitcoin is worthless, or are you in the category that there's value here?
Well, I'm probably more on the Jamie Dimon camp, but I am fascinated by so many people's interest. It's fantastic. I love the fact that more people are looking to invest in different things. I believe this is a very good positive action. I'm not a student of Bitcoin and where it's going to go, so I can't tell you whether it's going to be going to 80,000 or zero.
In the past, BlackRock CEO stated he was more on the side of Jamie Dimon, who is not such a fan of Bitcoin. He also stated that he was unsure where Bitcoin is going. But fast forward to today, and Larry Fink and BlackRock are taking a big stance on Bitcoin. And they have added Bitcoin to their Global Allocation Fund. Watch what they do, not what they say. And the reason this is so important is because BlackRock is one of the world's most powerful companies. Actually, they might be the world's most powerful company with nearly $10 trillion of assets under management. And if you didn't know, they are significant holders in the world's most powerful companies, including media giants such as Fox, CNN, CNBC, and CBS. And on top of that, they are significant holders in Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Tesla, Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer, and the list goes on. And now they are putting their hands in the Bitcoin cookie jar. And really think about it. Over the last 6 months, we have gone through probably the worst bear market in crypto history. While everyone is running away, BlackRock, the world's most powerful company, is here to stay. So really think about that. And BlackRock is not only investing in Bitcoin, they are also investing in blockchain technology. And we found out in 2022 that Alphabet Google was the #1 investor in blockchain. And guess who was #2? BlackRock, with investments in Circle, the creators of USDC, a centralized stablecoin, and they also had investments in FTX and Anchorage Digital. And of course, we know their FTX investment didn't turn out that great.
BlackRock had an investment in FTX.
$24 million in a fund of funds.
$24 million.
Yeah, it was not in the core part of our business.
Okay, so what do you think happened there? And then I want to talk about the diligence piece.
I actually believe this technology is going to be very important. I believe the next generation for markets, the next generation for securities will be tokenization of securities.
But Larry Fink states that BlackRock is still in crypto for the tech despite the FTX scandal. And it reminds me of the famous meme, Bitcoiners be like, I'm in it for the technology. But we know why they're really here, because they believe they're going to make a lot of money in this space. Over the last 6 months, while everyone was running away from crypto, scared, BlackRock, on the opposite end, was coming in and taking major positions. And back in August, BlackRock partnered with Coinbase to provide Aladdin clients access to crypto trading and custody via Coinbase Prime. And BlackRock stated our institutional clients are increasingly interested in gaining exposure to digital asset markets. This connectivity with Aladdin will allow clients to manage their Bitcoin exposures directly in their existing portfolio management. And fast forward to today, and BlackRock has added Bitcoin to their Global Allocation Fund, now providing Bitcoin exposure to the ordinary and passive investors. And it looks like BlackRock is here for the long run as well. Not only are they creating funds to give exposure to their clients, they are really coming in from all angles, and they are entering the Bitcoin mining space as well. And BlackRock gave bankrupt Bitcoin miner Core Scientific a new $17 million loan. And this is already after they were Core's largest shareholder, previously holding 37.9 million of the miner secured convertible notes. BlackRock has aggressively entered the crypto space, trying to take as much control as they can. Now, the beauty of Bitcoin is that it's so large and distributed that although they probably in the future will own more Bitcoin relative to other entities, taking total control of the network, I'm not sure that's going to happen. Even if we look at the Bitcoin rich list, we can see there's no one that controls 10 or 20% of the market. Even the largest holders have less than 1% of coins in circulation. We do see though that Binance has a few wallets, but even if you add this up, it's not like they own 10% of the market. Bitcoin is so large, it's gotten to a point where conquering 10, 20, 30% of the market is nearly impossible. Although I do believe in the future, BlackRock, along with their institutional investors, will hold more Bitcoin relative to other entities. But you know whose Bitcoin they won't have? yours or mine if we decide to hold on to it. Over these last 6 months, while everyone is running away, BlackRock is coming in. And if they want my Bitcoin, they're going to have to pay a hefty price for it. Watch what they do, not what they say. And if you are a long-term holder of Bitcoin and you're not trading it, you're simply hodling for the long run, keeping it on an exchange is a very risky move. If you really want to be safe, you need to get that on a hardware wallet. My favorite hardware wallet is Ledger. And if you want a review on the best ledger for you, go ahead and watch this video right here.